Abujmad is every part of Bastar is so. I think the Son Valley is also very bad. Oh, they are hearing me. Let us hear Prabhat. তপন চালু করো
Yes,
11টা 8 হয়ে গেছে
Soil,
Okay.
Soil,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Soil.
Shall we start?
So what about your veteran group of Jabalpur? In
I think
WhatsApp
most of
group
the
you have
officers are in
requested them
field.
to join.
No, we have circulated this invitation to our officers also. And
I have put it in my WhatsApp groups. 100 should join.
so I think around
All Sagadians know, all Jabalpurians know, Panna people know, Chatarpur Panna. Let us see. Prabhat, all the best.
Uh,
yes, sir.
should we start now, Deepa? Or we do it?
We can start, sir. It is already 11:10 almost.
Hmm?
सर अभी स्टार्ट करने के लिए मुझे लगता है 2-3 मिनट और वेट कर लेते हैं
Wait करो अभी, wait करो.
around 50 people has been joined now. We can wait for another 5 minutes.
Deepak, did you put this link to HOD group? HOD, hello.
नहीं, उसमें नहीं किया गया.
एक बार भेज दीजिए ना.
उसमें भेज देते हैं.
Just forward that. Soel, you have crossed that your target. Nah? It has
Yes, sir.
crossed 50.
Yeah, we
So,
can start now, sir.
So we can start, sir.
yeah. Yeah, otherwise somebody will leave also.
Shall we start, sir?
Deepak, start karo.
Okay.
Uh,
A very good morning to all of you and welcome to today's lecture organized in commemoration of India's 75 years of Indian independence. And today's lecture topic is Panna Diamond Belt and the speaker is Sri Prabhat Sahu. First of all, I would like to welcome one special guest from GSI family, Sri N.K. Datta Sahab, retired Director General GSI. I also extend my warm welcome to the students and teachers of various institutions and colleges of MP. This lecture is basically targeted to the students of geology, and Prabhat, he has been working in this area for some time and he has developed a skill and knowledge on Panna Diamond Belt. Will give a good insight of this belt, its rock type, nature of occurrence, and particularly the exploration technique, which is quite different from the other exploration. So this, I think, would benefit the students of geology, and particularly this Panna Diamond Belt. As we know, this is the only active belt, diamond producing belt in India, and our interest renewed after discovery of Saptorshi diamond field. It is just west 70 about around 75 kilometers west of Panna. So we may definitely, there is a chance we may get another few pipes in this belt. So with this few word, I again welcome all of you to today's lecture, and I request our Deputy Director General State Unit, Madhya Pradesh, Dr. Tapan Pal, for his opening remarks. Sir.
thank you, Deepak. Good morning to everybody. A special welcome to our XDG, Sri N.K. Datta Sahab. He always attend our lectures to encourage our young officers as well as the students. He is a quite experienced in this domain, and time to time I have seen he is interacting with the students as well as the officers. I am sure that his presence will give a different impact to the students' lectures. Usually, I am little bit down with the COVID. That's why I couldn't attend the office. From home, I am attending this lecture. And I also welcome all the teachers of different universities, colleges, and students. I am hopeful that they will get the benefit from this today's lecture. Prabhat is one of the best officer of the GSI MP, especially from the Jabalpur office. He is the most sincere officer, and he has devoted many years for this belt. I am sure that you will get many information from Prabhat. And I will also request professors and our ex-DG sir to interact with him if suppose there is some shortcomings in his lectures or some info is some in
Good morning, everybody. I am Prabhat Sahu, Geologist, GSI Jabalpur State Unit, Madhya Pradesh. Today, we will discussing about Panna Diamond Belt. Before discussion of Panna Diamond
to
Belt,
be
we
added.
Prabhat,
Yes.
wait, there's a link failure from DD's side. Let him complete his address.
Okay, sir.
Sorry. Actually, there is sorry for this
Yes.
delay.
Okay,
Could
sir.
you follow me now?
Yes.
Could you listen me?
Yes,
Hello,
yes, yes,
Deepak.
sir. Yes, you are audible.
And although this number is only 57, number is only 57 participants I have seen. But as all of you know that our most of the officers in the field, they couldn't join. Otherwise, normally in this type of lectures, we expect around 100 participants. Anyway, and as Deepak has already told, the objective of these lectures were to commemorate our Indian Independence Day. And apart from that, my objective is to gain knowledge about this Panna belt, and want to share our experience during this field also with these young officers, and as well as this, I want to get information from the Prabhat, who has spent many years in this belt, and I am sure that our officer who has not joined, they are missing some things from these lectures. Now I'll request Prabhat, please start your lectures.
Thank you, sir. Good morning to all. Today we will discussing about Panna diamond belt. Before discussion, we know about what is diamond and where diamond comes. Diamond is a allotrope of carbon. It is nothing but the highest native carbon. It many unique physical property. It is hardest mineral and it is very inert and it is high refractive index. This unique property make diamond, it is gemstone or it is a industrial use. Diamond crystallize in cubic system. It is the allotrope of carbon like graphite. In graphite, all carbon atoms are arranged in a hexagonal lattice pattern. But in case of diamond, all carbon atoms are joined together in a tetrahedral form. Next, coming to history of diamond. In world history, diamonds are first discovered in India. India was the chief source of diamond up to 18th century and produced many historical celebrated like Kahur, Nizam, Hope, etc. And now in Majgua, Majgua pipe is the only active mine in the country which is running by NMDC. This is the picture of Panna Majgua kimberlite pipe and mining is operating by NMDC. Then source for diamond. Where we can find diamond? Diamonds are mainly we find in kimberlite, lamproite, eclogite. These are the primary source. In secondary source, we can also find diamond from conglomerate horizon and gravel beds. That are quaternary gravel bed. But thing is that diamonds are not found where they are found. We find diamond in kimberlite, but in kimberlite, diamond never crystallize. Suppose we can suppose in a beryl, suppose emerald is a gemstone, which is nothing but a beryl, which is crystallized within pegmatite. But in case of kimberlite, diamond never crystallize. So these kimberlite, lamproite, eclogite, conglomerate, gravel bed, these are the carrier of diamond. So where diamond forms? Actually, diamond forms in diamond window. What is diamond window? Diamond window is nothing but a several condition, just like temperature. Temperature 1000 to 1500 degrees Celsius, and pressure will be 60 to 20 kilobar, and depth should be 150 to 250 kilometer depth. This is the ideal condition of crystallization of diamond. And where diamond crystallize, this person is known as diamond window. Where is diamond window? Diamond window below 150 to 250 kilometer depth, that means in upper mantle. But not in all part of the mantle diamond window form. It also requires some factors. What is this factor? Suppose this is, suppose depth should be 150 to 50 kilometer. This is diagram 150 to 250 kilometer. Suppose this is below diamond will form, and temperature 1000 to 1500. Suppose 1000 is this, so this part, and pressure will be 60 to 70 kilowatt. So this is only the ideal condition for diamond window. So in figure we say that this is 150 kilometer, and in this part the in Caton part the crust is very thick, but in this is the mid oceanic part. In this mid oceanic part it is not thick, it is very thin, so depth is very less. If a kimberlite pipe comes in this way, it cannot carry diamond, because diamond window is below the craton. Depth should be 150 to 250 kilometer. If a kimberlite pipe comes from
Sometimes it is Deepak, whether it is audible to you.
Yes. I think it is a problem in your side network, but otherwise the network is okay, sir.
Okay.
So diamonds are believed to crystallize primarily from carbon-rich fluid in high pressure and relatively no. If we see the global distribution of kimberlite and lamproite in the world map, all kimberlite, diamondiferous kimberlite and diamond mines are present in the shield area. This is African shield, and this part is our Indian shield and Australian shield. Here Australian shield, Argil, famous diamond mines is present, Argil pipe. Here India, Majma pipe is the active mines. So in whole world we can find the diamondiferous kimberlite and diamond mines within the shield area. So most of the diamondiferous kimberlite are Archeanian, 3.8 to 2.5 billion years ago. A small portion of the diamondiferous kimberlite are Proterozoic, that is 1.5 billion years ago. In our Majgua and Hindota lamproite pipe, also in Bondar lamproite, also in Mesoproterozoic area, Mesoproterozoic eon. The continental crust that is younger than 1.5 billion years does not host any diamondiferous kimberlite. If we come in India scenario, this is the cratonic map of India. This is our Dharwar craton and Bastar craton and our Singhbhum and Bundelkhand craton. And all established diamond province are in this shield region, not in Himalaya and in this NER region, only in the shield area. In Dharwar craton, our southern India diamond province are present, and Singhbhum Bastar craton, eastern diamond province, eastern India diamond province, and in Bundelkhand craton, our central India diamond province is present. If we come to heat flow map of India, this heat flow map of India show that our cratonic part, this our cratonic part is very low geothermal gradient. What is geothermal gradient? Geothermal gradient, the increase of temperature with respect to depth. In cratonic region, change of temperature with respect to depth is very low. So this is low temperature region. In Dharwar craton, Bastar craton, Singhbhum craton, and Bundelkhand craton, this map show very low geothermal gradient. So this is favorable condition for crystallization of diamond. In nature, high pressure and relatively low temperature condition is favorable condition for diamond formation. A region with high temperature due to the extreme thickness and low geothermal gradient are referred to as craton. Lithospheric mantle beneath cratons are main location of diamond formation in earth mantle, that is diamond window. Then we come to our topic, Panna diamond belt. This is the cratonic map and diamond province map of India. This is our southern diamond province. Here, Vajrakaru kimberlite field, Tima Samudram kimberlite field, Narayanpet kimberlite field, Raichur lamprite field. All fields are present within our southern diamond province. And in our Bundelkhand craton, our Panna diamond belt is present. Here, Majgaon and Hinota and Bandar lamproid. This is our Panna diamond belt. This is a say Panna diamond belt because it is a linear setting where diamonds are and have potential of a diamond, so it is known as Panna diamond belt. First we discovered diamond from Panna, so this belt is named as Panna diamond belt. This is our Bundelkhand craton part, and this is Proterozoic basin, our Vindhyan basin, and small part of Bijawar basin, and this is Sonrai basin, and this is bounded by our Vindhyan Proterozoic basin, and this is our Panna diamond belt. This is your star mark is our Majgaon and Hinota pipe, and here our Bandar lamprite field. So this northeast southwest trending 150 km strike length Panna diamond belt is located in the marginal part between the basement, Bundelkhand granite complex, and Proterozoic basin made up of Vindhyan sediment and Bijawar volcanic sediment in central India diamond province. In Panna diamond belt, both primary Majgaon, Hinota and Bandar pipe and secondary source conglomerate and gravel bed along with bank of Ken and Baghen and Ranj river. Previously, this Panna diamond belt considered as 80 km length. After the discovery of Bandar lamproid field by Rio Tinto, now the Panna diamond belt extends 150 km. This is the picture of Majgaon pipe, and this is the Google map of Hinota lamproid pipe, and this is the surface expression of our tree pipe of Bandar lamproid field in Baksua. Diamond explosion in Panna diamond belt. So many explosion are continue in this. This blue color boxes are GSI working, and here dark color, black color blocks are under the NMDC, and now GSI is working here in this region. So main part is under the NMDC part. Here this is the Hinota, and this is Majgaon lamproid, and here NMDC is carrying on mining in Majgaon pipe, and this is the Bandar lamproid cluster, 7 cluster, 3 Kratu Pulaha plus 3 Angira Vasishta Mariji in our 7 lamproid cluster is within here. This is discovered by a renowned company Rio Tinto. And NMDC also discovered so many, NMDC GSI previously identified so many ultramafic, looks like kimberlite also present. And this in Vindhyan conglomerate and sandstone of Rewa also contain diamond. And in Ranj river and here also alluvium, recent alluvium and boulder bed also potential for diamond. Chronicle of Panna diamond field. Mining of for diamond was at its peak during the Mughal Emperor Akbar. And in the year 1827, Captain Franklin from East India Company first reported the Majgaon pipe as a diamondiferous. And 1887, Henry Calvis Lewis coined the term kimberlite. That means after the discovery of Majgaon, 60 years के बाद our kimberlite term is coined. And then Sinner 1930 furnished petrographic detail of Majgaon pipe. And GSI 1956 and 1959 discovered Hinota pipe using magnetic and electrical resistivity and established the mineralogical characteristic of dimension of pipe and its diamond bearing potential. From 1966, NMDC is doing mining in Majunga pipe, which is only active mines in India. Then Rio Tinto from 2004 explore Saptarshi diamondiferous diatreme at Attri, that is known as Bandar project in Chhatrapur district, and projected 37 million carat of diamond at a grade of 0.7 carat per ton. This is our NMDC mining Majunga pipe, and this is the Google map, our Hinota pipe discovered by GSI, and this is the surfacial explosion, very weathered rock in field of Hinota pipe, and this is the surfacial manifestation of Attri pipe of Bandar project discovered by Rio Tinto. If we came it, the rock are highly weathered and carbonated. Then we come to geology of Panna diamond belt. Panna diamond belt comprises our Archean basement, that is Bundelkhand pattern, and Proterozoic basin, that is Vindhyan and Bijawar, and some patches of Deccan volcanics which cover the Vindhyan sediment, and some alluvial and quaternary deposits are present. This is our Panna diamond belt. Geology of Panna diamond belt. Basement rock comprises BGC, which is enclave of older metamorphic intruded by mafic, ultramafic, quartz reef, and pegmatite. Proterozoic rock are represented by Bijawar and Vindhyan rock, and 3 lamproid pipe, including BGC, and the Vindhyan rock, Semri and Kaimur group. In the westernmost part of the outlier of these are outlier of Deccan volcanics, and quaternary deposits are thick alluvium gravel bed along the river. This is the stratigraphic succession of Panna diamond belt. And basement is Archean granite, Bundelkhand granited complex, and above it our Vindhyan, this is Semri and Kaimur. After Semri and Kaimur, kimberlite intruded. Our kimberlite and lamproite are intruded. And after intrusion, then Rewa and Bhandar deposited. So we can find diamond in sandstone and conglomerate of Rewa group. That is our Itwa conglomerate and Gahadra sandstone. Both are Rewa formation. We can find in diamond in Rewa formation, but never find in Semri and Kaimur. Then our Deccan come, and after all, then our quaternary deposit, that is a diamondiferous alluvial gravel and diamondiferous lateritic gravels are present. These we can find diamond, these are reworked diamond that are collected from the kimberlite pipe, our Itwa sandstone, Gahadra sandstone, then come into river bed. Then temporal distribution of kimberlite and lamproite magmatism in globe. Here we can see the 4 billion year to 3, this is our Archean period, to 2.5 billion, this is our Archean period. During Hadean and Archean period, our continental crust are very, very thin. So at that time, only comatite magmatism are carried out. So this is the era of comatite. And after, our oldest kimberlite is 2.85 billion year in the Central Africa. This is our first and oldest kimberlite pipe. Then global kimberlite volcanism started at 2 billion year. After from 2 billion year, this is Mesoproterozoic. This is Proterozoic. This is Proterozoic magma and kimberlite magmatism. Our Majga and Hinota lamproid are the true and artery pipe also. These are mesoproterozoic age. Then our kimberlite magmatism bloom at the Neogene period. Here, voluminous kimberlite magmatism carried out. But in Neogene period, the kimberlites are very, very barren. Our global Mesozoic and Cenozoic kimberlite bloom at 250 to 50 million year and produce over 60% of the world known kimberlite cluster. So it is known as kimberlite bloom period. Kimberlite and lamproite magmatism extend from Proterozoic to Neogene. That is such as some 22 million year example of Western Australia. So this is the era of kimberlite from 2 million year to Neogene 55 million year. This is the era of kimberlite, and this is the era of cometite. Then our magma pipe. This is the geological map of magma pipe, and this is our Kaimur sandstone, because our magma pipe included in Kaimur sandstone, and here so many patches as the basaltic kimberlite. This is disclosed basaltic kimberlite and kimberlite with brachiation. So many pulses are there within our pipe. This is our field photograph of the kimberlite pipe where NMDC mining is doing on. And if we go to within pipe or within mine, we can find so many type of our tufaceous patches, brachiation patches, kimberlite with mica, kimberlite devoid of mica. So many pulses we can find. This is discovered by Captain Franklin, 1827. And this is another 3 kilometer northeast of Hinota pipe, Magma pipe. Another pipe is Hinota pipe. This is the Google imagery image, and this is Kaimur sandstone. This is the geological map. This is the Kaimur sandstone, and this is our kimberlite. In the surface, it is very, very weathered. And this is discovered by GSI in magnetic survey, and this is the cross section of our Hinota pipe. Then our Saptarshi cluster in Bandar Lamproite project, that is discovered by Rio Tinto. Here 7 number of pipes are present in Baksuha, near Baksuha, Tahsil of Chhattarpur district. A cluster of 7 non-diamondiferous volcanic pipe dike known as Saptarshi field near Baksuha of Chhattarpur. The Atri pipe is the largest. This is the Atri pipe. The most prospective known occurrence in Saptarshi field. It outcrops at the surface 3 locations, and the most characteristic feature of the weathered rock exposure in the irregular and pitted surface. This is the surface exposure of Atri pipe, and this is the 3D model of Atri pipe by borehole data. Rio Tinto produced this 3D model, and this pipe is now under the SL group of mining, that is part of the Aditya Birla group after the auctioning. Then come to secondary sources. Secondary sources mainly our diamond bearing conglomerate and diamond bearing laterite. These conglomerate interbred with Itua sandstone, Zhiri shell, and Gahadra sandstone of Rewa group are the secondary source of diamond in Panna diamond belt. Laterite on the Gahadra sandstone, that is laterite found above the Gahadra sandstone of Rewa group, are also secondary source of diamond. In the Majgua and Hinota, pipe are the primary source. For diamonds are several localities around Panna where diamonds are recovered, both from conglomerate and gravel bed. The Madhya Pradesh state mining officer allot plot to local for digging and recovering diamonds with certain term and condition. Local people, they take lease like this type of pit from after the permission of Madhya Pradesh state mining officer, and take this entire material and wash and picking in naked eye. This is field photograph I have clicked during my field. This is the river boulder bed. Local people digging some pits and take this material, and uh, they make this type of washing tank, and they sieving and washing to drain the muddy and clay silt. Then they sun dry. After drying, they are picking diamond in naked eye in this way. This is our location map of the secondary sources, conglomerate, laterite, and gravel beds of gravel bed of quaternary, and these are the conglomerate patches which having diamond potential area. This is the lateritic part on the Gahadra sandstone. This of a Riva group. Here also people are working for diamond, and these are quaternary deposit, alluvium and boulder bed along the Range River. They are also possible source of diamond. Then incidence of diamond in Panna area. Our Majma pipe have the diamond incidence as a 10 carat per 100 ton, and Hinota pipe is 0.7 carat per 100 ton, and Wonder and Atri pipe is 75 carat 100 ton. That means 7 times greater than the Majma pipe. Mining and future scope in Panna neighborhood belt. In Majma, NMDC doing the open cast mining in the Majma pipe, and 2.7 lakh ton of kimberlite ore is treated, and about 10,000 to 80,000 carat of diamond are being produced for Majma mine annually. The overall average grade work out around 10 carat per every 100 tons of ore. And Bandar diamond project discovered by Rio Tinto 2004, and Rio Tinto taken up detailed exploration of Bandar lamproite project and projected resource of 37 million carat of diamond at a 75 carat per 100 ton. This deposit is considered to be the 7 times richer than Panna diamond mines. And local peoples in Majgaon and Hinota pipes are the primary source, and the Majma Madhya Pradesh state mining officer allot plot to local for digging and recovering diamond with certain term and condition. In Panna diamond belt, our future scope is several diamond bearing locality are found in the vicinity of conglomerate and ultramafic body. Though the rock exposures at the surface are scanty, the wide extent of the potential area reported to have incidence of diamond indicate that there is a ample scope for discovering new concealed kimberlite body. This is our scope in Panna diamond belt in future. Thanks.
Now it is open for discussion.
Yeah, Tapan, I think I should start being the oldest.
Yes, yes.
It's
Yeah.
a wonderful presentation because it's such a big work which has been done in Panna. Prabhat has to say abridge it, and he has abridged it, and it is 2021 after 1827. So you can think of 200 years. Thank you, Prabhat. Please continue your similar, because apart from diamond, the geologist will be you will be knowing more about it. about the lamproite, kimberlite, that distinction, and more of a geotectonics part of it. Why? What hotspot? And why that hotspot? Why it is not in Samudi's, which is much more deformed and lineated and all. So the weakness planes were there, and this is a post-Kermode, say, piping or diatrimming. So why such thing happen? This all in the plate tectonics. The plate was so these things the students should understand that the hot spot activity during say Mesoproterozoic, Neoproterozoic times and within the platform and outside the platform also. Because I have seen Raipur with Biplab Chatterjee and B.K. Mishra and the whole group, not that much of Panna, unfortunately, though I was in Jabalpur for 10 years and I am still in Jabalpur. But yeah, these are the things. And the thing when we were in Jabalpur and the Panna diamond field was being done from Bhopal, the intriguing part of it is how to find more, in the gravels, the secondary what Prabhat said, and more so A.N. Singh and others were searching the primary sources. There are hundreds of ultramafics in the basement areas in Ken River section and Chhatrapur. The Angor pipe is well known, and probably further west in Tikamgarh. I know Bundelkhand so well, being from Sagar. So it's great output which is required, because I have seen C.B. Smith, Barbara Scott, and all greats in the diamond field. Not Prabhat, I have not met, but yeah, it's a very tedious job, and indicator minerals, those, and now Chalpati Rao sir is doing so good work. A lot of people are doing very good work on the ultra potassic and these intrusions. So Prabhat, please continue your work and publish informations. That is important, so that the children, my young friends know about it. The whole episode and the petrology. What is a lamproite? What are say kamaflugite and all sort of ultrapotassic things are there, and the hotspots. Please continue. All the best, Tapan, to you, Deepak, to you, and the whole team. I'll see you soon at Jabalpur. Thank you so much. God
Thank
bless
you.
you.
Thank you, sir. Then,
Please say about the
that-
petrology to the students. A bit of petrology of kimberlite, how much
yeah.
lamproite, because Barbara
Mm.
Scott and Dawson, they have all worked in this the area, and the work is not available. Even I don't get the information. If Prabhat is having, he can share with us, because a lot of people are asking for the PPT. So they are all stimulated. That's a good thing. If the young generation is stimulated, and go to Panna. Madan Sahu is from Panna, and Ayushi is from Panna, and a lot of Chhatarpur people have joined. So they will be getting, they will cycle down to Itwa and Shahidan, and they cannot go into Mazgaon because it's all restricted. The Panna sanctuary is there, but other areas they can go. Ajaygarh people are at least 20 people are reading geology. Ajaygarh, and that is an area where you will be definitely getting kimberlites or lamproites. It's all faulted terrain, so that weakness zone is there, and they belong to that place. So I wish we get more Tapan after your retirement.
Yes. Anybody else? Sir, I hope you will continue now. Please. Hello. Hello. Anybody else? Hello.
At least the students should speak out.
Yes. Students should have
Those
some query.
those who belong to Panna,
I have
हिंदी
so
में
many
बोलिए
queries,
ना,
sir.
काहे कि
I
अपन
have
को भी
so
हिंदी
many
आती है.
queries.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Ratnesh, you are working in Panna for secondary diamonds or secondary deposits. Ratnesh Dikshit from Gotegaon, my hometown near Jabalpur. Ratnesh,
सर
you are
सर
there?
सर सर सर
Yeah,
सर
Ratnesh.
सुन रहा हूँ सर जी सर सर गुड मॉर्निंग सर सर एक बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन मिला सर प्रभात सर के माध्यम से काफी कुछ कंक्लूड किया है सर इसमें हिस्ट्री से लेके वर्तमान की जो कंडीशन है उसके बारे में बताया सर एक क्वेश्चन ट्रेस यही हो रहा था कि सर प्राइमरी सोर्सेस पे जाने के लिए हमने सर पहले काफी कुछ काम किया है सर सेकेंडरी जो और जो प्लेसर डायमंड डिपॉजिट है उनकी डायरेक्शंस वगैरह देखने के लिए क्या इसके अलावा सर और कोई नई टेक्निक हो सकती है क्या सर हम सेकेंडरी और जो अभी जो करंट सिनेरियो में मिल रहा है उसकी वैल्यू करंट एनालिसिस जान के उनके और टुवर्ड्स भांडेर सैंडस्टोन को भी एक्सप्लोरेशन की पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखा जा सकता है क्या सर?
हाँ
Inclusive,
रत्नेश,
for inclusive.
इसका जवाब मैं देता हूँ। मैं सुहेल अहमद बोल रहा हूँ।
अच्छा
मैं प्रभात के साथ ही बैठा हूँ। प्रभात थोड़ा माइक बंद करेंगे। अच्छा रत्नेश, जो आपका सवाल है उसमें आपने और टेक्निक्स पूछी है। एक्चुअली क्या है कि प्राइमरी फील्ड और सेकेंडरी डायमंड दोनों क्या है पन्ना रीजन में इंटरफियरिंग कर रहा है। हम लोगों ने 2018-19 में कुछ एक्सप्लोरेशन किया था, आपको याद है, अजयगढ़ और बरियारपुर रीजन में हम लोगों को माइक्रो डायमंड्स मिला। अब ये माइक्रो डायमंड्स इंडिकेटर मिनरल्स जो प्राइमरी सोर्सेज से रिलीज होते हैं उसके साथ नहीं मिला, है ना रत्नेश?
सर
तो रत्नेश सुन पा रहे हैं ना?
हाँ सर आ रही है, सुन पा
हाँ,
रहा हूँ
सभी सुन पा रहा. बोलो सुहेल.
रत्नेश आप सुन पा रहे हैं?
यस
हाँ,
सर
मैं सुन रहा
सुन पा रहा हूँ सर।
ओके, तो ये जो हम लोगों को पहले तो ये सेट करना है कि ये माइक्रो डायमंड जो है ये प्राइमरी सोर्स से आया है या सेकेंडरी डायमंड अनदर मतलब बाद में फिर रिसेंट जो आपके ड्रेनेज से सेकेंडरी होराइजन को कट करते हुए हमको जो है ग्रेवल बेड में मिल रहा है। तो ये हमारे लिए चैलेंज है पन्ना रीजन में। एक इसका टेक्निक जो आप पूछ रहे हैं, कुछ नया कुछ टेक्निक है, हमने क्या किया, इसका मॉर्फोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टराइजेशन करने की कोशिश की यूजिंग हमारा जो सैम स्टडी होता है, SEM स्टडी होता है उससे, और FTIR हमने किया उसका। इससे क्या होता है, कैरेक्टराइजेशन हो जाता है कि ये अगर सेकेंडरी सोर्सेज से रिलीज हो रहा है तो उसमें डायजेनेटिक अल्ट्रेशन फीचर्स आपको दिखते हैं, उसमें वियरिंग एंड टियरिंग दिखता है क्योंकि ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है, एक साइकिल हुआ दोबारा हुआ। और इसको अगर ये प्राइमरी सोर्सेज से रिलीज होता तो उसमें ना फ्रेश फीचर्स दिखते हैं आपको, ट्राइगोनल पिट्स और भी कुछ फीचर्स होते हैं, बोट मार्क्स होते हैं, है ना, रट्स होते हैं। तो एक ये चैलेंज भी है और हमारे पास अभी फीचर के लिए कुछ टेक्निक हैं जिनको हम अडॉप्ट करके एक दूसरे से अलग कर सकते हैं। और हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं कि जितना एरिया एक्सप्लोर हो चुका है पन्ना रीजन में, पन्ना डायमंड बेल्ट जिसको हम बोल रहे हैं, हमने क्या किया है, नया कुछ रिकॉग्निसेंस एरिया लेकर हम एक्सटेंशंस में हमने काम करना शुरू कर दिया है। अभी GSI क्या कर रहा है, GSI अभी वेस्टर्न एक्सटेंशन में जाके जहाँ सप्तऋषि है उससे अराउंड 25 to 27 किलोमीटर अवे हमने कुछ रिकॉग्निसेंस एरिया लिए हैं। वहां पर हम टीकमगढ़, छतरपुर और सागर डिस्ट्रिक्ट के नॉर्थ पार्ट में हम सर्वे कर रहे हैं। तो होप कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर भी सेटअप सेम है, तो प्राइमरी सोर्स रॉक के चांसेस यहाँ भी है, क्योंकि अभी सप्तऋषि एक हमको एक क्लू मिला है कि हमारा होप खत्म नहीं हुआ है। तो इस तरीके से हम इसको हमारे एक्सप्लोरेशन स्ट्रेटेजीज को लेकर आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। अभी भी बहुत एरिया में एक्सप्लोर करना बाकी है। सरफेस में जो इंडिकेशंस हैं, सरफेस इंडिकेशंस हम लोगों को मिलते हैं। अब हम लोगों ने क्या किया है, मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी अप्रोच अडॉप्ट की है, जिसमें हम लोगों ने आस्टर में डेटा भी यूज करते हैं, सैटेलाइट के लेटेस्ट जो इमेजरी से उसको लेते हैं। और आपको पता होगा हम लोग, हमारा जो एएमएससी विंग है, हमारा जो आरएसएस डिवीजन है, उसने हम लोगों को ओजीपी ब्लॉक आइडेंटिफाई करके दिए हैं, तो वो उससे भी हम लोगों को एक क्लू मिल रहा है। तो पूरा का पूरा एक हम अप्रोच लेके इसको टारगेट कर सकते हैं।
सोहेल, मैं रत्नेश के प्रश्न को इस हिसाब से थोड़ा सा क्या जो आपके साइडान वगैरह जो है बगाइन में जो ग्रेवल्स है, उनका सोर्स लोकली है कि इस sort of what are the, because Ratnesh is doing research, so वो थोड़ा सा जानना चाहते हैं कि पेलियो करंट वगैरह ग्रेवल स्टडीज वगैरह जो है, these are all fluvial gravels, not glacial or ice age gravels. पर पहले भी हम लोग को ये प्रॉब्लम होता था कि ये कहाँ से, what are their provenance?
यहाँ एक क्वेश्चन है चैट बॉक्स में आलोक त्रिवेदी सर का। सर, हाउ डू यू नो हाउ मच डायमंड विल कम आउट इन कंप्लीट माइनिंग? एक्चुअली if we want to know, first take some quantity of material, that is lamproite body, matlab ore. We take 1 ton or 2 ton or 3 ton, and then we recover diamond. Then how carat? 1 carat matlab 200 milligram. How much carat we can find in a 1 ton? That is indicate this grade.
Prabhat, any indicator that this is the zone of mineralization? This is the say body or body within the body is containing more diamond. I was asking the NMDC, this Mishra and all, कैसे तुम लोग वो जोन को पकड़ते हो जहाँ पे डायमंड ही डायमंड है, which is more so that the because the whole thing is not to be mined. If it is say less than 1 carat, तो क्या फायदा है माइन करके? Of course, as micro diamonds have also got the value. So there is any indicator within the, नहीं तुम लोग तो अभी पाइप देखा ही नहीं होगा, सप्तर्षि वगैरह में कुछ है indicator that this is the more diamondiferous say containing lamproite or second lamproite or third phase of lamproite, like that? कुछ है igneous suit which can be based on alteration on all those things, physical feature only, that sort of mapping the faces of the volcanics or intrusive volcanics. All white thoughts.
Soil, you give this answer. There
Sure.
is definitely indicator minerals. Soil,
सर
you give this information.
सर मैं एक बार सर आंसर क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगा।
What are the indicator minerals
Indications.
to know that it could be diamondiferous?
अच्छा सर, इंडिकेटर मिनरल्स जो बेसिकली इंडिकेटर मिनरल्स हम लोगों को पन्ना रीजन में मिल रहा है, वो है पायरो, एक है पायरो, सेकंड इंडिकेटर मिनरल है स्पिनल।
Which is spinel? Which is spinel?
सर अपना क्रोम स्पिनल है,
Chrome.
क्रोम स्पिनल एंड पायरो आर टू dominant indicator minerals, and other indicator minerals we did not get during the field work. Even मजगवा आप पाइप से अगर कुछ वेदर एरिया को आप प्रोसेस करते हैं, उसमें भी पायरो ही मिला है। ड्यूरिंग द डायमंड प्रोजेक्ट बाय एंड आपका टाइम पर भी सर, आप लोगों को भी डायमंड से ही, पायरो से ही आप लोग
G9, G10 were being here because
G9, G10
APMA was not that much available, so based on some and they cannot be crushed. That is the whole trouble, Sohail.
And that too, sir, these indicators are not available in abundance. Very rarely we can get 1 or 2 grains.
Oh
So
my God.
ये भी depend करता है because I have worked in the Vajrakarur area in the
No, Raipur we are
east,
getting in hundreds.
eastern Harwar Corridor. Yeah, yes. Raipur Chhattisgarh basin is very rich in indicators. Even we can get mental our
Derivation.
Well, I think that was the question. I think your indicator minerals that are present either your kimberlite is fertile or not fertile. The question is how do you know that kimberlite is fertile? That was the question, I think.
right.
Yeah, because if I go to Cane River say valley and get say ultramafic or ultra potassic say indicator or green earth or the yellow earth, what should I do? That is the student's question.
So
Don't take it that I am a very
basically in
knowledgeable person.
geochemistry that gives
I
some
am
clue
learning.
whether the lamprite is fertile or not fertile, isn't it?
No, yeah, it depends upon. It
Sir,
depends
it depends,
upon.
sir, because I have seen in Narayan with kimberlite field, it is known to us that if we find chrome dioxide, we can get diamonds there. But Narayan area is barren area for diamond. So unless we can get diamond, we cannot say it comes from diamond stability field. It is
No,
the practical
it's a
knowledge.
research, Suhail.
Yes, sir.
It's a research
It is a research.
ऐसा देखने से ऐसा हमको मिलेगा. It's
हाँ, हाँ.
that sort of inferences.
Yes, sir. We can just correlate.
Yeah, that is true. Every deposit is having its own uniqueness. No? The children, the young students should
Yes, yes.
see and learn
Actually,
about that.
Actually, Soel and Prabhat, you didn't give full information. The question was very simple. Whether any indicator minerals is there for the diamondiferous kimberlite. Direct. Okay, kimberlite and diamondiferous kimberlite. Now question comes, where you will get the diamond? Now it is a high pressure zone. If it is a garnet facies, you will get this your diamond. Is clear? Now from my childhood, I knew that there will be some minerals which are indicated as a picroilmenite. Chrome spinel is a spinel facies. But if you think that it is forming in the spinel facies, you don't expect diamond. Diamond will be the garnet facies only. Picroilmenite and there are many minerals. I forgot those names.
Tapan,
but
I
there are
interrupt.
certain minerals.
Tapan,
Yeah.
Tapan,
Yeah.
diamond is xenocristic. Mind it.
Yes, yes.
It
Diamond
is
is
not
xenocristic.
a part of the diatreme. So it's not that. It is having some physical feature. The diatreme.
Yes. Diamond is
Multiple
forming
intrusion happens in the pipe, no?
multiple intrusion, definitely.
So,
But
apart
where
from
the diamond
indicator,
is
there
coming
has
from?
to be physical feature. That is my contention. Yeah.
But there should be some indicator minerals. They should read and they should communicate this in which condition.
The upper
diamond
mental
forms and-
signature has to be there. That is true.
Yes.
Upper
Sir,
mental,
as Dr. Sahab informed us that G9 and G10 garnets are there, but I came to know that no petroilmenite is available. Even in एक भी सैंपल में petroilmenite नहीं मिला, ये इंडिकेट करता है कि जो टाइटेनियम है वो कंज्यूम किया सर, वो dissolved
Till
है।
100 kilometer perovskite should come, no?
हाँ,
That
perovskites
may
are yes, sir.
say
As a SSC,
revert to
perovskites are there.
spinels.
Yes.
That may we are just discussing for the students.
Yes.
Yeah, Tripurari has a question. Prabhat,
प्रभात की क्वेश्चन और देखिए त्रिपुरारी कुमार ने किया
Prabhat, इसका Tripurari question. Tripurari from Sagar.
त्रिपुरारी का क्वेश्चन है प्रभात सर आर दीज occurrences of diamond restricted to only beneath craton or are they any possibility to occur in other places?
Zone of subduction. Aclogite comes in zone of subduction.
हाँ, त्रिपुरारी मैं इसका जवाब देता हूँ। ये जो आपका क्वेश्चन है इसमें बेनीथ द इक्वेटॉन और सबडक्शन जोन दोनों ही रीजन में मिलता है। बेनीथ द इक्वेटॉन जो चांसेस होते हैं वो किम्बरलाइट आपका मैग्नेटिज्म के चांस होते हैं, और जो आपका सबडक्शन जोन है और बेडी ऑफ जोन है, इसमें इक्वेटोरिक रीजन का जो है पार्शियल मेल्टिंग से लैम्ब्राइट मैग्मा जनरेट होता है। उस रीजन जो मैग्मा का जो मैग्नेटिज्म है वो लैम्ब्रोटिक होने के चांसेस हैं। सो दोनों रीजन में जो है वो हाई प्रेशर जोन है। तो दोनों रीजन में आपको किम्बरलाइट और लैम्ब्राइट के आपको वो मिलेंगे, मैग्मा मिलेंगे।
You have to identify Tripurari, the proper rock and the tectonic setup. Subduction is not island
Yes.
or calcal.
I think I will add something. Now the question comes: this what is the source of the carbon? Now carbon, what is the source? Whether it is organic or inorganic. Now it is being established that most of the carbon is your organic carbon. Now if organic carbon is there, then through subduction process it should enter your mantle. Then it will be converted to your at certain pressure and temperature. It will be converted to your diamond. Before that, in Archean time, perhaps there was no such organic matter. That's why we are not getting your diamondiferous any bodies. And apart from that, nowadays it is established this carbon is getting subducted, is entering through a mantle through subduction process only. That's why in many cases you will get these diamondiferous bodies along with your lamproids. Previously, people used to identify those are kimberlite. Nowadays, it is being turned into lamproid. That is the question. Now, Soel,
Sir.
I don't know whether you have a clear kimberlite or it is a lamproid bodies. In Atri, you are telling it is a lamproid body. What about this, your Majgaon and other pipes? So that really it is a typical
Madam,
kimberlite or it is a lamproid
Barbara
body?
Scott
yes, sir.
says it's
Madam
lamproid.
Barbara Scott Smith during his work during 90s
1960s.
already cleared that the Panna region has lamproid only based on
But
mineral.
as per Mitchell classification, do you follow the Mitchell's classification?
Yes, sir, definitely. Mitchell and Barnum classification. So based on his classification, these bodies are lamproid.
Lamproid.
Lamproid only.
Then initially, Sir was telling what are the tectonics? How to find this diamondiferous kimberlite or lamproid? What are the tectonics? Why it is restricted to certain age and why it is restricted to a certain place? That is the major question.
Yes.
How to give this information to our students? Why it is intruding to
No, Ratnesh
younger than
Sohel
your
asked
time?
about the Bhander's say, but Bhander time probably the as Prabhat said the thermal regime was
Flow.
not
Yes, sir,
that
yes.
good, or the hotspot activities were not that let's say prominent. So it depends upon that mood of the earth.
Yes,
during
as
that
far
time.
as Indian cratons, as Prabhat informed us on our Dharwar craton, Singhbhum craton, Aravali, Bundelkhand craton, ये सभी क्रेटॉन जो हैं आर्केटाइपल एज के हैं, और इंडिया में कहीं पर भी हमने ना लैम्प्राइड देखा ना किम्बरलाइट देखा जो हमको प्रोटोजोइक एज से यंगर दिखा हो। तो उससे हम जो कोरिलेट करके ये बोल सकते हैं कि इंडियन जो किम्बरलाइट्स हैं सारे इंडियन किम्बरलाइट लैम्प्राइड ये जो हैं आपका प्रोटोजोइक एज के हैं, इससे यंगर कोई नहीं है। Even
before the Gondwana split.
Yes,
Before
yes.
the Gondwana split. That's why it is similar to your premier of South Africa or Argyle, of course, is in a mobile zone in Western Australia. So worldwide, that this was the activity, and later on in Cretaceous, some activity of
Yes,
say,
sir.
kimberlitic activity,
कुछ
or
रशियन किम्बरलाइट्स हैं
KC
जो younger हैं.
type activity was there. Because most of the even Indravati say ultramafics are into the cover sediments. About say your the Krishna area, that one, Mangadpalli and all, these are Vajrakarur, of course, in the it's in basement, but probably the platformal sediments have been eroded.
Yes, the Kannur sediments has covered the some lamproids there. DBS, I think DBS explored 45 lamproids there.
It's a big work.
So, what is the age? Actually, do you have any age of this lamprey?
Sir, around 1100 million.
Around 1100.
Ninad sir wants only the presenter to speak. Prabhat,
Prabhat is with me, sir. Because of mic problem, I have opened my mic. Yes. Prabhat,
Ninad sir sees us as a student. Professor Ninad Bodhankar. Tripurari's questions, Sohail?
Question is, please give some idea how to get diamond concentration zone in secondary alluvial deposit. Diamond concentration zone in secondary alluvial deposit.
तो resource estimation से पता चलेगा bulk sampling से.
Actually, in alluvial deposit, it is diamond concentration in even also in kimberlite, lamproite. There is not uniform. Kimberlite diamond concentration is not uniform. It is very sporadic. In case of kimberlite also, some pulses have a high, some pulses have few, and some pulses have barren. In case of secondary alluvial deposit, there are ores very sporadic. We cannot get any idea which is a highly concentrated area, which is not. We have to put a we have to make pit and take a bulk sampling, and then we have to count how many diamonds are recovered. After that, we can say this part is highly concentrated zone. Otherwise, it is impossible. Dr. Bikal Singh, Assistant Professor, sorry, this is Tripurari Kumar. Sir, if we are getting in kimberlite pipe, then why we are calling it as a belt like Panna belt? Okay. Our Panna diamond belt is not a particular area. It is extend 150 kilometer from in east northeastern side, that is Chitrakoot, and western Tikamgarh, Sagar. This part, this is a area. It's a linear body, so it is we can say it is a Panna diamond belt. Within belt, some pipes are there: Majga pipe, Hinota pipe, and our Bandar lamproite cluster, Saptarshi cluster, all are confined within this linear feature, linear zone. So it is called it Panna diamond belt.
Prabhat.
Sir,
Okay, this is the belt. Now you can tell whether it is a periphery of our craton or hello. Is
Hello,
it
sir.
periphery of our craton?
Hello, sir.
Why it is oriented like this?
Actually, our craton and proterozoic basin margin is northeast, northeast southwest direction. So our Panna diamond belt is also this same direction. In worldwide, sir, if we see the global map, all kimberlites are within the craton, and all lamproids are along the margin of craton and basin. So in our Panna diamond belt or our Majma pipe, Hinota pipe, and Saptasi lamproid cluster, these are all lamproid, not kimberlite, and these are included only in this craton and basin margin.
Tapan, I think these are all in different episodes. So how the plate was moving, now which one is earlier, which one is later, but the hotspot might have been the same, and the plate were moving in that northeast or in the southwest direction. So we get the pipes in that say fashion. It that linearity of the plate movement, my contention. It may not. It depends upon the plate and the hotspot. How many times that diatrium was say getting into the platformal sequences, and of course in Indravati, in the Raipur area, the hotspot activities. It was a worldwide phenomenon. It was not it's not a local phenomenon. That is my contention.
Yes, sir. Actually, 1101 is another is your 65 Cretaceous breakup. When there is a breakup, there is a huge hotspot activity, and that also enhances your breakup. Similarly, Rodinia breakup also is like that, 1100, around 1100. And during that breakup, there are huge igneous activities took place, and that too, many hotspot activities are also linked with that breakup also. That could be one of the reason. But anyway, the question is with us now. What are the solution? How to get this answer? Then we have to read lots. Then we can get some little bit answer of this your questions. Uh, and apart from that, recently there is a huge studies going on, different isotope studies now. Sohail and Prabhat, you please read those literature, recent literatures. What is the source of the diamonds, and how we expect that this terrain can contain the diamond. Now the question comes, suppose if we are restricted within the Bundelkhand craton, whether we can expect diamond there, diamondiferous kimberlite, because it is older than that, your 1100, it is older than that. If it is older than that, then whether Bundelkhand will be fertile, I don't think. And then we should give some solution to our young generation, so that, and we should give some guidance to them, so that their future research will get some directions. Okay, so read and communicate to them.
Prabhat Sahu is himself, just about 35. Sohail may be 40. They are
Yes.
part of the young generation. We are 60. I am
No,
70.
actually, I the students are should be very inquisitive, and as in my age also, I'm very inquisitive. Why it is restricted to the periphery? Why it is restricted to the certain age? Then what is the source of the carbon? Then previously the people who are identified kimberlite, then now people are telling it is a lamproid. What is the difference between kimberlite and, you rightly told, what is the basic difference between kimberlite and lamproid? Then why in neogen kimberlite we don't get any diamond? These are the questions. Whether diamond kimberlite will always host the diamond, because recently I have seen some ophiolite terrain also in chromitite pots in entire your China and Tibetan belt. I have seen that they are getting micro diamonds in chromitite pots also. So not only that, we have to search your kimberlite, we have to search lamproid, we have to search your eglogite only. If we get some high pressure conditions in certain rocks, then definitely it can contain diamond.
Tapan,
Again,
lot of
some
work
mantle rock.
work is being done. It's not that
Yeah,
yeah, worldwide,
yeah,
lot of work.
uh,
And Chalpati Rao
a lot
Saab
of
will be speaking. If he is speaking, he can speak for months. So a lot of work,
yeah, a lot
even in
of
South India, a lot of work is being done.
uh,
It
and
requires a lot of instrumentation and dedication. That is the only
yeah,
submission
apart
I can
okay,
make.
lots of instrument and dedication is also required, but I have seen some mantle rocks are also there. Whether we can search all the varieties of mantle rocks for your diamond or not, that is another issue. Because in India, there are lots of mantle rocks are exposed. So these are the subject for your diamond study. And
Now the
our
students,
already
Tapan, now the students will be
yes.
seeing the altered gray, black, and yellow grounds. And, see the garnet at least. If diopside
Yes.
is not, yeah, ilmenite cannot be identified. But garnet is such a pink color. It's so good
Uh,
to see. So
Garnet as a
the
actually
whole setup of listener about 58 or so. Okay, you
mm,
can leave me. So these will
mm,
be stimulated. Thanks to Prabhat
yeah.
and Sohail and
Mm,
the whole team of GSI.
Welcome.
mm. Okay, Deepak. Is there any other question?
विजय कुमार सोनी जी
Anybody else?
नहीं वो पूछने के लिए बोलिए.
Welcome,
Good
Habib,
afternoon, sir.
sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Mm,
Sir, I want to congratulate and thanks a lot for this wonderful presentation. It has definitely enhanced our wide knowledge, and so I am also grateful for GSI for such a initiative. Sir, I have a question, sir. Sir, there is not a exact stratigraphic positions for the diamondiferous conglomerate, sir. Sir, GSI deal as it is associated with Etama sandstone, Jhiri cell, and Gahadra sandstone, but all literature deal as it is unconfirmable between Kamur and Riva and Bhandir, like that, sir. So, sir, can you confirm me what is exact stratigraphic positions of diamondiferous conglomerate?
Sohail, Madan Sahu belongs to Itwa, Panna proper.
Sir,
So
I
he
know him.
knows the terrain.
I know him. He has contacted many times. So he is very brilliant student, and he want to understand the entire diamond exploration strategies of recent techniques. Madan,
Yes, sir.
आपका क्वेश्चन का जवाब साहू सर देंगे.
Okay, sir.
हमारा जो इटवा conglomerate and Gahadra sandstone. In a field area also, local people are working in this area, and in Kaimur and Riva, the unconformity. This is also diamond bearing. क्योंकि अवर सेमरी एंड काइमूर के बाद हमारा लैम्प्रोइट इंक्लूड हुआ है, उसके बाद वो अनकन्फर्मिटी हमारा काइमूर एंड रेवा के बीच में जो अनकन्फर्मिटी, सो इट इज आल्सो पॉसिबल फॉर अ पोटेंशियल ऑफ डायमंड. And above
Okay, sir.
our unconformity, our Itwa sandstone and Gahadra sandstone, these are of Rewa group. These are also possible.
Yes, sir.
Then say map the conglomerate and you will know this answer. They are intraformational conglomerates. There are say interstratified conglomerates. So तुम जितने मैप करोगे उतना ही हम लोगों को पता चलेगा कि because Riva has got lot of conglomerates, you know that, and you belong to that place, so every small gravel sequence is part of the say coarse clastics from a local provenance or from the river gravels. So, the stratigraphy books are giving the whole thing. So you map, you've got the topo sheet now of Panna area. Plot करके बताओ. You are from Jabalpur only, so else sir will be very happy to see your maps. That is my.
सर मैं ऐड करूंगा. मदन, आप स्ट्रेटिग्राफिक जो सेटअप देखेंगे, स्ट्रेटिग्राफिक सेटअप में देखेंगे कि जो किम्बरलाइट है, किम्बरलाइट आपको सेमरी में नहीं मिलेगा. सेमरी के डिपोजिशन के बाद किम्बरलाइट का जो है कैमूर पीरियड में इम्प्लेसमेंट हुआ. तो आफ्टर कैमूर पीरियड आपको प्राइमरी सोर्सेस मिलेंगे, मतलब लैम्प्राइट मिलेंगे. किम्बरलाइट्स बोलते हैं, आप उसको लैम्प्राइट समझ लीजिए क्योंकि हमको तो सारे लैम्प्राइट मिले. उसके बाद आप देखेंगे कि आपको कैमूर के बाद जो डिपोजिशंस हुए, क्या हुआ? रीवा हुआ. तो उसमें आपको जो प्राइमरी का जो डायमंड रिलीज हुआ वो आपको सेकेंडरी मतलब सेडिमेंट्रीज में मिलेंगे आपको कॉन्ग्लोमरेट्स में. तो उसके पहले आपको सेडिमेंट्रीज नहीं मिलेगा. ये आप बिल्कुल इसको थंब रूल मान लीजिए. कैमूर के नीचे कोई सेडिमेंट सेकेंडरी डायमंड्स नहीं है और कैमूर के बाद कोई प्राइमरी डायमंड्स बियरिंग आपको लैम्प्राइट्स नहीं मिलेगा. ये इंडियन किम्बरलाइट्स का एक बड़ा ही आप देखेंगे तो थंब रूल बन गया है कि प्रोटोजोइक रीजन में ही जितने भी इंट्रूजन्स हुए, लैम्प्राइट हो चाहे किम्बरलाइट हो, उसके बाद हमको नहीं मिला. उसके बाद आपको सेकेंडरीज ही मिलेंगे.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have other more questions, sir. Sir, actually, there is deposit, sir, more diamondiferous conglomerate. It is like Hatipur area already auctioned for the mining. Sir, it is eroded material from Hinota and Majgua kimberlite, or it have other source for deposited that eroded material.
ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है.
Actually, sir, there is a very sir analytical question because sir, there is occur paleo current is different, sir.
Right, you are right. Actually, we cannot say that only one or two kimberlites were there. Okay, because if you correlate Hathipur area from Majgaon area, around 50 kilometer distance is there. Okay, so आप ये सोचें कि उससे रिलीज होके इतना दूर डायमंड जाके डिपॉजिट किया किसी बेसिन में, ये इतना मतलब लॉजिकल नहीं लगता है. बाद के वर्कर्स ने भी ये स्टडी किया है कि एक किम्बरलाइट नहीं है, मैनी किम्बरलाइट्स वर इम्प्लेस्ड ड्यूरिंग द टाइम. और उनका अगर पेलियो करंट डायरेक्शंस देखा जाए तो शायद ये टुवर्ड्स द साउथ इसका जो प्रोवेनेंस था शायद अजयगढ़ की तरफ था. हमने एक मिचेल एंड फरीदुद्दीन का भी कुछ पब्लिकेशंस में देखा है कि अजयगढ़ साइड में कहीं पर ये प्राइमरी इम्प्लेसमेंट्स हुआ है. और अगर पेलियो करंट डायरेक्शंस को हम स्टडी करें तो उसका जो डिपोजिशन है टुवर्ड्स साउथ आके हुआ है. तो मे भी इसको अगर हम बहुत शायद ये रत्नेश का एक पीएचडी का टॉपिक भी यही है, एक ऑब्जेक्टिव भी यही है. और भी इसमें सोर्सेस हो सकते हैं. आप खाली पन्ना रीजन्स में जो मजगांव और हिनौता मिला है उस पर डिपेंड नहीं कर सकते.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have last question, sir. Sir, generally people consider in that area if they have got more jasper in the alluvial place, which have diamond bearing. So they consider that if it have more jasper, so there may possible some possibly we can definitely get diamond in that place, sir. So sir, what is geological aspect for that, sir?
या अगर आप जेस्पर को आप डायमंड बियरिंग होराइजन से लिंक कर रहे हैं तो उसका एक प्रोस्पेक्ट बनता है, क्योंकि जेस्पर बियरिंग होराइजन है सेमरी रीजन में पीपल टोला कॉन्ग्लोमेरेट भी आपने सुना होगा, वो भी काफी
Yes, sir.
जस्पर है। तो पहले तो जस्पर का रीजन आपको प्रोवेनेंस को आपको जाके ढूंढना है कि जस्पर कहाँ से रिलीज होके डेट्राइटल पार्ट में बेसिन में आके डिपॉजिट हुआ। ओके, उससे आपको डायमंड बियरिंग जो पाइप्स हैं उसको उसके प्रोवेनेंस को भी आप कोरिलेट कर सकते हो।
So, well, Jasper is from the iron formation, and iron formation is very nearby, Bijavar. So, paleocurrent has a lot of things to say, and of course the light minerals and the gravels, all these things. Yeah, it's a well known. Madan, तुम जब करना शुरू करोगे research, hope so. So you'll be you'll be read Potter and Petitjohn, other books. You'll be understanding the provenance and the deposition relationship. That is my request to all the students, to stimulate yourself more than the old people we are into these sort of things. Ratnesh must be very happy to listen this.
सर ये थैंक यू सर। सर इसमें जो अब बात हो रही है सर, शायद सोहेल साहब ने एक बार मुझसे डिस्कस किया था पहले कि सर कॉन्ग्लोमरेट डायमंड है और जो प्राइमरी डायमंड है, इन दोनों में एक स्टडी जीएसआई में पहले हो रखी है सर। शायद इस पे कुछ पेपर वगैरह है सर, आप थोड़ा सा बता पाएंगे?
Ratnesh, everything is available. You go to the library, you have to search. It's not that somebody will give you. Somebody, ये थोड़ा ढूंढने से कल ही मैं कॉल के ऊपर कम से कम 10 पेपर निकाल लिया।
रत्नेश, पन्ना डायमंड प्रोजेक्ट फेज 2 आप स्टडी कीजिए, उसमें आपको आपका क्वेरीज का सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा।
राइट सर, थैंक यू।
सोनी जी से मिल सकते हो, महेश सोनी, राइट इन जबलपुर। दे आर दी द्रोणाचार्य ऑफ पन्ना। Sony was asking something. Prabhat, you allowed him. Yes, you said. Sony ji, बोलिए।
Sir, pranam sir.
Sir, I don't know you, but yeah, pranam.
प्रणाम सर, आप सभी सीनियर्स को प्रणाम सर। सर मैं विजय सोनी सर, मैंने वहाँ पे देवभोग पे मैंने काम किया हुआ है। इवन आंध्रा में भी, इवन अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज में मैंने एज ए कंसल्टेंट काम किया हुआ डायमंड पे। सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है सर, ये रीवा बेल्ट में जो ये सर्वे हुआ है, रिलायंस ने जो सर्वे किया हुआ है, उसमें क्या प्राइमरी के चांसेज हैं क्या इस जोन में पाने के सर? प्राइमरी किमरलाइट
चांसेस है
सर।
इस पे कोई रिपोर्ट्स वगैरह मिल सकते हैं सर?
प्रभात, रिलायंस का डेटा विजय को चाहिए।
क्योंकि मैं अभी पीएचडी रजिस्टर्ड हूँ सर, तो मेरे को कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स की।
अरे बंडेर का डेटा मिल गया, यही बहुत है। रिलायंस का डेटा रिलायंस ऑफिस पे जाएंगे, वो बोलेंगे हम नहीं दे सकते।
नहीं, only published data which you have in GSI.
Yeah, Prabhat can say about it.
Yes.
They got indicator minerals in the zone. वो
G10 उन्होंने रिपोर्ट किया है सर।
Sir, they got this indicator minerals. This they got in premier paleo channels or the existing rivers.
existing
I'll not say because DK Jha will kill me.
जी सर। Okay, right sir.
Say private information. तो आप
Okay, right.
they can only inform.
Okay, right sir.
If allowed to. I don't know
Right.
about GSI knowing about it. There are
Right,
so
sir, right.
many. Na? In Sarguja also this JSPL has done, and that Pandeji will not inform where they have got it. So
Yeah,
we know
sir.
Chhara and all those places. Yeah, worked in so many areas. So local people know कहाँ मिलता है, because वही तो छानते हैं ना। So you
क्योंकि
can
सर हम
know
लोगों ने
from
जो
there.
छत्तीसगढ़ पे हम लोगों ने जो एक्सप्लोरेशन किया था सर, हेलो
Hello.
हेलो,
हाँ
हम लोगों
बोलिए.
ने जो सर छत्तीसगढ़ में जो एक्सप्लोरेशन किया था बीबीसी के साथ, आई वाज देयर सीनियर जियोलॉजिस्ट दैट टाइम।
हाँ.
सर हम लोगों ने कुसुम्बुरा एंड टेम्पल किम्बरलाइट सर्च किया था, और 2-4 किम्बरलाइट्स के और इंडिकेटर्स हैं अपने पास, लेकिन वो बिकॉज ऑफ गवर्नमेंट डिस्टर्बेंस वी कुड नॉट वर्क इन देयर।
Vijay, we are discussing science here.
राइट
How,
सर,
where to find more, and to the
ओके
government
राइट
we
सर, आई
want to give
अंडरस्टैंड, आई अंडरस्टैंड,
more kimberlites.
आई
That is
अंडरस्टैंड
why,
सर,
yeah. You
ओके
also
राइट,
know as a geology student that,
यस सर,
yeah.
यस सर।
I don't know.
सर
I
आई
mean,
वांट सम सपोर्ट फ्रॉम जीएस